$1,000 versus $100 blowout routine. Let's see if there's a difference. Let's see which side looks better, and let's see if you really have to spend that much money on hair tools and products to get nice smooth blowouts on 3B curls. So let's get right into it. This video is going to be very long, so I'm just going to start by sharing with you guys the products that I use in the shower. So starting with Drugstore, I basically kind of split it. So I used the shampoo and conditioner from the Drugstore. This is from Hair Proud. This is the hydrating line, so very nice line. I absolutely love these two. They're only like $8 each, so we're gonna add that to the Drugstore side. But then I wanted to use a mask, and this one is new from Spoiled Child. Wow, this is so good. My hair feels amazing right now. This is the M26 hair mask. This is for repairing heat damage, repairing just like damaged hair pretty much. This is $49. It is $50, but let me tell you, I used it today and I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be linking everything down below, but that is going to go on the expensive side. But anyways, we're going to move on to leave-in products. You guys are going to think that this video is sponsored by Hair Proud, but it is not. I have been really liking their stuff, and they're so affordable, only like $8 at Walmart, and you get incredible results with these products. So if you haven't tried Hair Proud, try them out. So for the Drugstore side, I'm going to be using the Hair Proud Hair Revival Leave-In Scalp and Hair Moisturizer, and this is amazing. I really like this. It makes my hair feel incredibly moisturized, and you can add a ton of this and it doesn't feel heavy on your hair. Just gonna detangle that really quick. And for the expensive side, I'm going to be using the Color Wow Dream Cocktail Coconut Infused Leave-In Treatment. This is amazing as well, so I'm just going to add about that much to my hair. This retails for $26, but Color Wow products are so worth it. I absolutely love them. So the blow dryer that I'm going to use on the Drugstore side is, of course, the Revlon Plus. You guys have been seeing me using this blow dryer a lot more lately, and I actually really do like it. I really like the Revlon Plus, but I always use it in the medium heat setting, and to use a lot of heat protection, I use products like this, the Color Wow Dream Coat, just to really protect my hair from the heat. So I feel like this blow dryer has been working pretty well for me lately, but now in the summer I always have to use a straightener afterwards, so I am going to be using a straightener later, so stay tuned. This retails for about $60. You could find it on sale for like $40. So before I dry this first section, I am going to add the Hair Proud Glass Hair. You add this on each section before adding heat to your hair. This activates with the heat, and you can add a pretty good amount. It doesn't feel heavy at all on your hair. So now that I added that to my hair, I'm going to start drying my hair with my Revlon in the medium heat setting, and I'll be back once this side is dry, and we're going to move on to the expensive side. Okay guys, so I am done with the Revlon side. As you can see, it looks so nice and smooth. I have so much shine, and it only took me 20 minutes to do this side. I feel like in the winter my hair would be okay with just a blowout, but in the summer I do have to straighten it, because if not it's going to get super frizzy. So I am going to straighten it in a little bit. I am going to clip my hair very quickly just because I don't want this side to sweat or get like ugly. So now let's move on to the expensive side. So on this side, I'm actually going to be using the Dyson AirStrait. I've been pretty quiet about this lately, and I haven't been using it that much, but this hair tool is very powerful, and it gives me beautiful blowouts. It gives me very straight looking blowouts though, so I almost always have to use another hair tool on my ends just to really give my ends a little bit of bounce or something, you know. But I think this hair tool is perfect for today because I am going to straighten my hair afterwards anyway, so it's going to give me the very nice sleek look, and hopefully it will resist humidity. So that's what we're going for, just a very nice sleek look. So this hair tool right here, the Dyson AirStrait, is $500, so it is very expensive. It is the most expensive hair tool that I'm going to be using today, but the times that I've used it, I've really liked it, and I do feel like it smooths out my curly hair super well. And on this section, and section per section, I'm going to be using the Color Wow Dream Coat. This is the extra strength, so this is the new one, and it's supposed to be even better than the original. I've used it before and I absolutely love it. It is insane. It really does help with frizz. I like to use a small round brush like this just to really smooth out the roots. So I like to kind of pull my hair a little bit like that, close the hair tool, and dry the roots first. This is a nice little hack because it's going to help keep the roots nice and sleek. This brush really does pull the hair, which is nice. So now that my roots are pretty straight, as you can see, I'm going to go in with the AirStrait on the rest of my hair and very slowly start bringing this down. I like to do 3 passes on the wet mode and then 1 pass in the boost mode. So there's 1 pass, looks pretty straight already. And now I'm gonna do another pass. So there's 2 passes. I feel like it looks pretty straight, but we're gonna do 1 more. So that is 3 passes, and I think my hair looks fine with just 3 passes. I'm just going to do 3 passes on each section, and then at the end I'm going to do a quick pass with the boost mode. But yeah, I'm going to start the timer on this side, and let's see how long it takes me to do the Dyson AirStrait side. Again, I'm going to be using the Color Wow Dream Coat on each section right before putting heat on my hair. This activates with the heat and it's going to give you very nice smooth results. And I like that the Color Wow doesn't feel heavy on your hair, so you can use a pretty generous amount. But yeah, I'll be back with the final look, and then we're going to move on to straightening my hair. Alright, so I am done with the Dyson side. It took me about 24 minutes to do this side, and I have to say, this side looks okay. It looks very straight, but I feel like it looks unfinished, so that is why I always have to use another hair tool whenever I use the Dyson AirStrait, just to kind of, you know, give my hair a little bit of bounce. The ends just look way too straight for me, and it just doesn't look flattering for me, or maybe I'm just not used to this look. But when I use a straightener, I like to kind of like bend at the ends a little bit, just to give it just a little bit more of shape, you know. So this is the Dyson side. Wow, the difference in length is crazy. But anyways, this is a Dyson side, and so this is the Revlon side. I mean, for just a blowout, I feel like the Revlon gave me way more shine, and it just looks better. Even if it's gonna get frizzy, it just looks more finished in my opinion. But anyways, I'm gonna straighten my hair now. I only have like 30 minutes to do this, so I have to hurry up. But I'm gonna be using the WavyTalk on the drugstore side. I actually got this from Amazon. This retails for like $30, so it was the cheapest one that I have. And then on the expensive side, I'm gonna use the GHD Max, which is my go-to straightener. It does retail for about $250, but it is so worth it. It is worth every single penny. I feel like this is gonna give me the shine that I'm looking for on this side and the finish that I'm looking for on this side. The GHD you could only use on the heat setting 365 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for me. It's actually the perfect heat setting, honestly. And I'm going to use this one on 370. You can do either 360 or 370. I'm just going to do 370. So I'm going to do a section on the GHD side. I love this straightener. It is so good, and it straightens my hair so quickly. I definitely like this one more than the WavyTalk. I've used the WavyTalk before, and I mean, you can't compare a $250 hair tool to a $30 one on Amazon. But the $30 one definitely gets the job done. Yeah, this side is looking way better. I'm so excited to see what my hair is going to look like at the end. But now I'm going to do one section with the WavyTalk, so let's get right into that. This is also a very big plate. They're both about 2 inches. So I just felt like these two were the best to use for this video, because they are pretty similar in size, and they're very different in price. Like, they're drastically very different in price. Yeah, I mean, this is getting the job done, but it's not leaving my hair as smooth as the GHD. I have to say, it's not leaving my hair as smooth as the GHD. It looks okay. So this is what the WavyTalk side looks like. I actually really like it. I think it looks pretty shiny as well. It looks very sleek. And if I compare it to the GHD, they both look pretty good. But anyways, I'm going to do all my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, I'm done straightening my hair. This is what the GHD side looks like. I really love it. It looks so shiny. And this side actually looks pretty good as well. This is the WavyTalk side. And yeah, I can't believe that I was able to get this look with only like under $100. It's insane. I feel like they both look pretty similar. I mean, I think they both look the same, if I'm being honest. And yeah, I guess we'll see with the wear test which side looks better at the end of the day. But first, I do want to add an oil to my hair. On the expensive side, I'm going to use the Moroccanoil treatment. This is the light one. They also have a regular one, but this is almost $50 and I really like it actually. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit, maybe about that much, and I think that might be a lot. Maybe just a little tiny bit. I'm gonna start at the bottom, like at the back, and then I'm gonna bring the rest to the top. So yeah, immediately, wow, that made my hair look 100 times better. Less flyaways, and it just looks a lot more shiny. I absolutely love that. But yeah, that oil is like $50, which is crazy, but it'll last you a very long time, and this smells amazing. So the only oil that I have from the drugstore, I was looking and I could not find another oil other than this one. This is the Mielle, and this is the Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So I only use this as like an oil treatment, an overnight oil treatment for hair growth, but you can use a little tiny bit of this on your hair, just a little tiny bit, because this is very thick. So I'm literally gonna put like 1 or 2 drops. That is enough. You are able to use this after a blowout, but just a little tiny bit. This also smells amazing. So again, I'm just starting from the back and then bringing whatever is left on my hand to the top. Bringing down these flyaways, and already that also looks way better. So this is what the drugstore side is looking like. Absolutely love it. It looks so shiny. And so this is what the expensive side is looking like. Also really like it. But anyways, I'm gonna be back at the end of the day. It is actually 1 p.m. so I'll be back maybe at like 5 or something, and I'll give you guys my thoughts, and yeah, see which side looks better. Hey guys, I'm back. It's actually 5:24 as you can see, and I just got laser hair removal. It actually didn't feel too bad. I thought it was gonna hurt more, which is good. It didn't hurt too much. So yeah, that's why I changed. I wanted to wear a tank top, so I'll put a video up here so you guys can see the whole process kind of. I'm gonna make a TikTok if you guys want to follow me on TikTok, so you can see that. Follow me on TikTok. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like after a couple of hours, and I have to say, I don't know, my hair still looks pretty straight. And I was outside, like I went out to eat, I went to the appointment, I was out, you know, like I wasn't just home. And it is very hot outside today. This is the expensive side. As you can see, it still looks very straight. And so this is the drugstore side. It looks super shiny, and I don't know, which side do you guys like better? Honestly, I feel like they both look exactly the same, and one is almost $1,000. This side was almost $1,000, and $1,000 blowout routine. Let that sink in. That's expensive. And this one was about $100. So big difference, and I feel like my hair looks kind of the same. If anything, I feel like this side looks shinier than this side. According to my calculations, when I add up all the products and tools that I used on the expensive side, this side is $906. So almost $1,000. It's not 1,000, but it almost is $1,000. $906 from the mask all the way to the oil. And this side right here, after I calculate everything, including the shampoo and conditioner that I use in the shower and the oil, everything, all the hair tools, it is a total of $117. So a little bit over $100, but still, I mean, pretty affordable in my opinion. Pretty affordable. But yeah guys, that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you notice a difference on these two blowouts, and which side do you like better. Do you like the expensive side more, or do you like the cheaper side more? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much.